So punta na tayo doon. 1, 2, 3. And we're back. Diba may ice cream na ako ngayon?
Saan pa yan, Box?
Kay Lord.
Ay, kay Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Oh, thank you, Lord.
Kasi nga, we're back. I'm Gora.
I'm Boots.
So, naliligaw pa rin kami.
Hindi pa rin naman alam kung nasan yung stat. Nasaan ba kasi yun?
Nandito kami sa, ngayon, Up Nismet. Kasi nga kasi sa Up.
Okay.
Ayun. Naliligaw lang kami nung papel.
Oo, nasaan na ba kasi yung papel na yun?
Nasaan na yung papel na yun?
Papel. Oh,
Ay!
ito na naman.
Ano naman yan? Alam ko kung saan papapuntahin yan. Doon.
Doon?
Doon ba?
Grabe naman yan, Box. Parang sa bangin naman yan. Oh, sabi dito.
May umiihi sa tabi mo. Puntahan nyo siya at tanongin nyo to. Ha?
Ayun.
Ayun. Ay, ate, pwede ba kayo ay, hello! Ate, sobra? Sorry sa sa pag-ihi mo.
Sorry na, ito na kasi.
Kasi pwede ba ka mag-interview? Kasi, para pumunta kami ng stat, kailangan daw namin itong gawin. So, pwede ko ma-interview. Mga ilang questions lang to. Tatlo lang. Ready mo ba? First question. Assume that you believe your whole life because of your religion that you subscribe to, that same-sex relations are immoral and should not be acted upon. One of your friends suddenly comes out. You then tell that friend that he or she or they should not act his or her or their desires. Your friend cries and breaks down. Are you truly accountable for your friend's reaction when you thought same-sex relations were immoral your whole life? If yes, how? If not, why? Relate your answer to freedom and determinism.
I am accountable for my friend's reaction because, despite determinism explaining that my belief in the immorality of same-sex relations was shaped by external causes such as upbringing and religious influence, I still exercised freedom in choosing how to respond. While determinism explained the causes of my beliefs, I could exercise the right to make autonomous and considerate choices. Instead, I acted on capricious freedom by expressing my beliefs impulsively, without considering their emotional consequences on my friend. This failure to use my freedom responsibly makes me accountable for the harm caused.
So, salamat naman sa pag-answer ng first question. Ready ka na ba sa second?
Yes.
Okay, this second.
Ito na. What is your way of addressing the debate between free will and determinism? Explain your answer.
We will use compatibilism as this reconciles free will and determinism by asserting that individuals still maintain the capacity to make autonomous choices and are responsible for their decisions. As Jean-Paul Sartre stated, man is condemned to be free. Condemned because he did not create himself, in other respect is free. Because, once thrown into the world, he is responsible for everything he does. Sartre highlighted that while external circumstances shape individuals, they must bear full responsibility for their actions, reflecting the balance of freedom and determinism.
Ito na ang last question na tayo. Naubos na ang aking ice cream. So, ito na ang last question. Do you think that Filipinos side more with libertarianism, determinism, or some other view on freedom mentioned in this topic? Explain your answer. Cite specific local sources to back up your claim.
Filipinos side more with libertarianism since the culture highly values personal freedom, especially in political participation and freedom of expression. To give examples, there are negative consequences of this freedom. Citizens are free to run for political office regardless of their background, which reflects the libertarian belief in personal choice. Many Filipinos like Diwata, the owner of Diwata Pares, and Ros Martan, a TikTok influencer, who are media figures and not experienced politicians or lawyers, have successfully filed their certificates of candidacy. While this highlights the right to pursue political positions, it also reveals a downside. Some candidates may lack the qualifications necessary for effective leadership. This mirrors a negative aspect of libertarianism, where the freedom to choose can lead to choices that may not always be in the best interest of society. On the other hand, there are also positive consequences of this freedom. For instance, the 2022 presidential elections saw widespread political discourse, where Filipinos freely expressed their support or opposition to candidates through social media and public discussions. This reflects the libertarian value of free speech, which allows everyone to share their opinions without fear of censorship.
Thank you so much, ate, sa pagsagot. Sorry na, ate, kung na-interrupt
balik ka
yung
na.
pag-ihi. Balik ka sa pag-ihi. Balik ka. Balik ka.
Ganun.
Di ba? So, saan na tayo?
Saan na tayo? Nasaan na ba kasi yung ano na yan?
Ito yung papel.
Ito yung papel, guys.
Tapos,
Wala.
Wala.
Naghihintay pa din kami.
wala! Ay,
Wala
sorry.
na.
Sorry kung sino man natamaan ko. Pero nga, saan na nga tayo?
Hindi ko alam. Yan na
Madalo naman.
Yan na naman siya.
Kung sino man yan, sana matabunan ka ng bungol.
Uy! Kalma ba? Ito na. Uy!
Nasa tapat nyo ang pupuntahan nyo. Punta kayo sa R?
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 R? R?
Diretso yata.
Wait.
Dun yata.
Ano ba yun? May nagbabasa ako.
Parang
R?
R.
Ito, ikot ka. Diba? May R? Uy, ba't nandyan yung mga mangga? Pati umiinit.